Ready to upgrade your nail game? Let's talk about the top oils for nail care you can't miss. First up, we have jojoba oil. This magic potion is perfect for moisturizing your cuticles. It's lightweight, non-greasy, and absorbs quickly, leaving your nails nourished and hydrated. Next, there's vitamin E oil. Known for its strengthening properties, this oil can help prevent your nails from becoming brittle and breaking. Plus, it's rich in antioxidants, giving your nails the care they deserve. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the description for more nail care information. Third on the list is tea tree oil. If you're struggling with any fungal issues, tea tree oil is your best friend. It's a natural antiseptic and can help keep your nails clean and healthy. Last but definitely not least, we have coconut oil. This versatile oil is fantastic for overall nail care. It deeply moisturizes, prevents infections, and helps with nail growth. Remember, using these oils for nail care can make a huge difference in the health and appearance of your nails. Whether it's jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, tea tree oil, or coconut oil, each of these oils offers unique benefits for your nail care routine. Don't forget to subscribe and check the description below for more tips and product links. Thanks for watching, and here's to healthier, stronger and longer nails.